In this video, I will be showing you how to determine the daily search limits for the Perplexity Pro version by analyzing real-world user feedback. I start here on a Reddit thread where the community is discussing a common point of confusion regarding how many searches are actually allowed. I'm looking at the original post, which highlights a discrepancy between the advertised 300 searches and the 600 searches some users are seeing. I'll scroll down now to see what other members have to say about their personal experiences. I notice a detailed comment from a user who clarifies that for high-end models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4o, the limit is currently set at 600 searches per day. I continue to move down the thread to find more specifics on how these searches are distributed throughout the day. Another user points out that this averages out to about 60 searches per hour if you are working through a 10-hour day. By reviewing these community insights, I can see that the actual limit for pro users is often higher than what some basic landing pages might suggest. I am taking my time to read through these responses to ensure I have a clear picture of the current pro benefits and search logic. This look into the user discussions helps me understand the flexibility of the pro plan for intensive research tasks. I hope this walkthrough gives you a better idea of what to expect from your Perplexity Pro subscription search limits. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.